Families getting together, well, it's that time of year. Traveling in this weather so that they could be here to be with family. Family, family, family. Some came in from the country, some came in from town. Some came far and some came near, and family came from all around to be with family. Family, family, family. Catching up on the latest. Hey, what's new with you? How your kids been doing? So when is the baby due? How's your family? Family, family, family. Some were drinking whiskey, others drinking beer. Water drinkers turned to wine and other heads were clear. But that's family, 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 family. Good food comes from the kitchen, made with love and care. There's more on the table than anyone's able to take in as we share with the family, 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 family. Family fixing to leaving with hugging, kissing and tears. We'll stay in touch, or maybe not much, till we get together next year to be with family. Family, family, family.